Are you interested to know how 2 basic rules can make your team retrospective effective and productive? Awesome! I will tell you why you should introduce those rules, what are the rules, and what are the results of those 2 rules when you introduce them to your team retrospective. Hi and welcome back to the channel. If you don't know me, my name is Sven and I'm an Agile coach based in Austria. And on this channel we are exploring how to make teams happier and more productive. And today we are going to have a look how 2 basic rules can help you make your team retrospective much more effective and productive. So let's get started. Why you should do a retrospective we already talked about in another video, so see the link above. So why should you introduce the 2 basic rules? Well, without the basic rules you often have low trust in the team, people are blaming each other, and third, you have no common ground to work as a team effectively on your problems and issues because everyone is like holding back. But we want to have like an open environment where everyone speaks up. So what are the rules? The first rule is called the Las Vegas rule. You have probably heard of the sentence, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. And the same applies for the retrospective. What happened in the retrospective stays in the retrospective. So everyone has the opportunity to speak up and talk. Rule number 1. Rule number 2. Regardless of what we discover, we understand and truly believe that everyone did the best job they could, given what they knew at the time, their skills and abilities, the resources available, and the situation at hand. And reading this out is probably very, very powerful because it sets the common ground that everyone did already their best job, and now we are not in the blaming culture. What did you do in that situation? No, that person gave their best they could and now they try to improve, and that's what the retrospective is about. So what are now the results when we introduce those 2 basic rules? Well, it's the foundation of trust, and now we have the opportunity that people are opening up and that we can have a common understanding that this meeting is all about discovering our bottlenecks and what are the things that are slowing us down and how to find solutions to improve and continuously become better and better. So what do you think? Are you going to try out those 2 basic rules in your next team retrospective? Leave a comment below and tell me what happened after you introduced those 2 basic rules. Thank you very much for watching, and if you liked it, please hit the like button, and here you'll find my latest video. And please subscribe to the channel to see more videos about how to make teams happier and more productive. And now I wish you an enjoyable and productive time.